Have you ever wondered how Netflix just knows what movie you want to watch next? Or how your map app magically finds a quicker route when you're stuck in traffic? Well, that's not magic. It's data science. And believe me, it's quietly shaping almost every part of your world. We're about to pull back the curtain on how it all works. And hey, if you want to understand the tech that's building our future, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. All right? Let's jump in.
Okay, get ready for this number. Every single day, humanity creates 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. That's a 2.5 followed by 18 zeros. It's a number so huge, it kind of breaks your brain. We're talking about a massive, chaotic digital universe of tweets, sensor readings, and cat videos. So, how on earth does anyone make sense of all that noise?
Well, that's exactly where data science comes into play. You can think of it as a translator for that digital chaos. It uses a mix of cool tools, clever algorithms, and machine learning to sift through all that messy, raw data and find the hidden patterns, the little golden nuggets of insight that no one else can see. It's all about finding the signal in the noise.
So, if data is this giant new ocean, who are the explorers charting its depths? They're called data scientists, and they have a pretty unique set of skills. Let's take a look inside their toolkit.
See, a really great data scientist is kind of like a superhero with multiple powers. They've got to have the programming chops to wrangle massive amounts of data. Then, they need a solid foundation in stats and math to actually find the patterns. But here's the secret sauce. They also need to be an artist, someone who can visualize that data and turn it into something people can understand. And maybe most important of all, they have to be a storyteller, someone who can explain what they found and why it matters.
Now, this isn't just some random guessing game. It's a really structured process. It always starts with a clear question. What are we trying to solve? From there, they gather the data, and then comes the hard part, cleaning it all up. Seriously, this can be like 80% of the job. Once it's clean, they build models to predict outcomes, and then, the moment of truth, they test it in the real world to see if it actually works. It's a whole journey from a simple question to real-world impact.
Okay, enough with the theory. Let's talk about where you actually see this stuff in your day-to-day life. We're going to go from the comfort of your couch all the way out into the busy city streets.
Come on, think about it. You finish binging a show, and boom, right there is a new recommendation that feels like it was made just for you. How does it do that? It feels like it's reading your mind, but it's not. It's just really, really good data science.
These recommendation engines are always learning. I mean, they're watching what you hit like on, and even what you ditch after 10 minutes. Then, they cleverly group you with other people who have similar tastes. On top of that, they analyze the content itself, the actors, the genre, even the mood of the music. It's all part of a complex recipe cooked up just to keep you watching.
But here's the really cool part. This same idea, finding patterns in behavior to predict what's next, goes way beyond movie night. It's now being used to solve one of the most annoying problems of modern life: traffic. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we've all been there, right? Stuck in one of those bright red hotspots where nothing is moving. To you and me, it's just a frustrating commute. But to a data scientist, this map is a puzzle, a complex problem just waiting for a data-driven solution.
And here's that solution in action. By analyzing traffic flow in real time, smart city systems can adjust traffic lights on the fly. And the results? They speak for themselves. At this downtown intersection, the average wait time dropped from 18 minutes all the way down to 13. That's 5 minutes of your life you get back every single day at just one light. That's huge. But this field is moving at lightning speed. It never stands still. And the new frontier is all about how humans and AI are going to work together. This is where things get really fascinating, and it brings up some big new questions about automation and, you guessed it, ethics. You know, a lot of the grunt work, like cleaning data or writing basic code, is now being automated by generative AI. And that's a good thing. It frees up data scientists to focus on what we humans do best: big picture strategic thinking, creative problem solving, and, this one's super important, ethical oversight. The job is shifting from just doing the technical work to guiding the whole process. And that brings us to a really crucial point. As the Royal Statistical Society puts it, you have to work in a way that respects people's privacy and autonomy. With great data power comes great responsibility, right? The goal is to make sure this technology helps us without causing harm. And that's not just a nice idea anymore, it's becoming a core part of the job itself. So after all that, what's the one big thing you should take away about our data-driven future? What's the bottom line? It's this: data science is so much more than just algorithms and code. It's really this powerful fusion of three things: hardcore technical skill,
that uniquely human curiosity that makes us ask why, and a deep ethical duty to use that power for good. Which leaves us with one last big question to think about. As AI gets better and better at handling all the technical stuff, is it possible that the single most important skill for the data scientist of tomorrow won't be programming, but a deep understanding of ethics? Hey, if this breakdown helped you finally wrap your head around data science, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way, you won't miss what we demystify next.
Thanks for watching.